Yo, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial we're gonna discuss the YouTube adverts or the advertisements. So basically you've been seeing video advertisements on YouTube since it's a video uploading platform, and a lot of adverts come when you are trying to watch a video on YouTube. So basically all these videos are customized or personalized toward your usage. So in this video, we're going to discuss that how can you disable these personalized ads where they Google targets you with these ads and tries to show you content or ads regarding your interest. So there is a way where you can disable this, and you won't be targeted by personalized ad. Because in the personalized ad, Google tricks you with more force and tries to gather as much data about you as possible, and then they show you contents or ads regarding those interests they have gathered about you. So basically, to do that, what you need to do is, first of all, go to your YouTube app. You need to go to the profile section of YouTube, or you can just click on the and then after that what you need to do is go to setting. And once you click on setting, what you need to do is you need to go to general, and once in general, what you need to do is click on history and privacy. And after that, what you need to do is scroll down and you'll find the option called ad setting. So now what you need to do is click on it and select your preferred browser, whichever you use, or depending on which phone you use, or maybe whichever you prefer. And after that, what you need to do is you need to log in. So I'll just quickly log in and skip this part and enter my credentials. So once you enter your credentials and you log in, now what's going to happen is this window is going to show up in front of you. It's a Google page. So basically it's ad setting, and it's going to ask you for, ad personalization. So here you can just toggle it off, and once you toggle it off, Google won't be showing you personalized ad. So then you won't be seeing ads as much as you see before, and this way Google won't be able to hunt you with personalized ad and trying to force their influence. So this is how you can disable the personalized ads on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos just like this one. And yes, see you in the next one. Peace.